Are you looking for the best vinyl cutters under $300? In this video we will look at some of the best vinyl cutters under $300 on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Cricut Explore Air 2 Cutter. The Cricut Explore Air 2 is our editor's choice for the best vinyl cutter on the market. Rated high on our guide and also by others through reviews, the Cricut Explore Air 2 is a great pick if you're looking for a personal vinyl cutter for smaller projects. Not only does it outcut and write its last edition when it comes to speed, but it also is extremely precise while cutting. The Cricut Explore Air 2 also features various factors that set it apart from the competition, like Bluetooth wireless capability and software that is the perfect learning tool for any beginner or someone looking to get better. Adaptable with over 100 different materials, the Cricut Explore Air 2 comes with over 80 pre-installed settings. If you're a fan of the fast mode, you'll be able to work with vinyl, cardstock, and iron-on materials at that high speed. The Cricut Explore Air 2 works with a design space software, which can be used with iOS, Android, Windows, and Mac. Although the warranty isn't specified, this vinyl cutter is a great option for the long haul. At number 2. VEVOR Vinyl Cutter. The VEVOR Vinyl Cutter not only meets its competition on a value basis, but it's also our premium pick if you're looking for an upgrade to our original editor's choice. Although weighing around 41 pounds, the VEVOR Vinyl Cutter has a maximum width of 24.8 inches, which makes it extremely easy to cut most kinds of vinyl and other materials as well. The operation is also quite durable, which means that you can rely on this machine for various projects no matter if you're a beginner or an expert. This flexible machine work can be controlled using an LCD backlight display, which can help you easily handle the various settings during the working process of cutting. You can also rely heavily on the emergency stop/start function, which is a reassuring thought for a final project or for a beginner. Although it isn't necessarily compatible with a Mac, the VEVOR Vinyl Cutter can run with any Pentium processor-based PC or compatible computer, like Windows, Windows XP, or Vista 7, 8, and 10. At number 3. Silhouette Portrait 2 Cutter. The Silhouette Portrait 2 electronic cutting tool is also the latest edition of Silhouette technology. Rated as our best value pick, this affordable choice is a great product if you're looking for a cutter that still has everything you need, regardless of the low price. The Silhouette Portrait 2 electronic cutting tool is not only Bluetooth and Pixcan compatible, but it also features the connection with the auto blade, making it possible to cut deeper than any prior edition. If you're looking for a portable vinyl cutter to take with you wherever your projects may lead, this 18x8x 9-inch, the electric cutting tool makes space and budget a priority. It also awakens your creativity, with the possibility of choosing from and executing 50 exclusive digital designs. It's also advertised as being about to cut through a variety of materials, which allows you to get versatile with your projects. You can also easily connect it with your Mac or PC, since the software comes with the original purchase of the product. At number 4. USCutter Craft Vinyl Cutter. The USCutter Craft Vinyl Cutter is a great deal if you're looking for a budget option that still does it all. Perfectly designed for beginners and hobbyists, this smaller electric vinyl cutter comes along with a kit that can help you tackle any project for your everyday task. Although this software isn't compatible with Apple or Mac computers, and isn't capable of performing contour cuts, the manufacturer makes up for this by offering not only a 1-year warranty, but also free lifetime phone support. The USCutter Craft Vinyl Cutter is ideal if you're looking for everything under one roof. With a kit that helps get you going, this vinyl cutter comes capable of printing out any project you may come to find, from decals to banners to signs of all kinds. With the starter kit, you'll find a hobby knife, a squeegee, 3 vinyl cutting blades, a 14-inch USCutter MH series vinyl cutter plotter, vinyl master cut software, a 1x3 feet transfer right 31 gallons clear medium tack application tape with liner, and 2 different color types of vinyl. At number 5. Silhouette America Curio Crafting Machine. The Silhouette America Curio Crafting Machine is our best home vinyl cutter since it comes with everything you need for any project you may have. As a lighter weight cutter, The Silhouette America Curio crafting machine is not only a higher quality electronic cutting machine, it is a great middle ground budget pick that does it all. Outlined with the capacity to work with most common materials, the Silhouette America Curio crafting machine can be your go-to machine for various tasks and projects. As you get better and better, it's capable of welding, drawing, piercing, embossing, engraving, and debossing. The purchase also comes along with a great starter kit, with a USB cable included for ease of use. Even if you aren't a beginner, you can definitely benefit from such an inclusive package, especially for replacing material that you might be running low on. Although it works perfectly as a standalone machine for a wide variety of projects, it also can be a companion machine to other cutters, since it is so versatile. The Silhouette America Curio crafting machine also comes with a starter software, the Silhouette Studio.